We've had nearly 40 people attend from Australia, New Zealand, Papua New Guinea, Vietnam, so really good attendance geographically. And that's really what PIANC's all about, bringing us all together as an industry to share knowledge. And the theme that we chose, which was strategy to reality, decarbonisation and the ESG challenge, really was about, it's action time right now.
Decarbonisation is a global issue and ports all need to play a part in that. And we're serious about playing our part in decarbonisation. We're here to learn from each other. You may be at the start of a journey where somebody else is midway through and somebody's at the end of the journey. So it's really important for us all to get together so that we can come up with solutions together.
So the workshops we're having this afternoon bring basically subject matter experts from across the spectrum, so engineers, designers, planners, environmental specialists, sustainability practitioners together, so we can share basically from our own work and from our own experience examples and case studies of what has and hasn't worked. We can use that information to determine what the priorities are for the sector going forward in terms of where the industry needs guidance, and also to share knowledge with each other.
Events like this are really important because it's a good chance for us to all learn from each other, to understand where are our challenges, where are the opportunities and tangible ways we can take action. Because we don't always get together very often, so it's a way to learn about the changes in that technology and the way that we're facing those challenges and overcoming them.
One of the key takes from this, I get to gauge the audience participation and interest. Particularly with regards to onshore power supply. It's also interesting to see how the other ports, the other industry participants are actually interested in this topic, wanting to learn more, and also asking what else can they do to contribute within this space. It is obviously a growing industry, however, there's still a lot more to do.
So today I was sharing some insights from our experience planning and implementing decarbonisation roadmaps, and we were talking to some specifics of our latest experience working with Geelong Port. We talked about our experience applying the Ports Australia greenhouse gas emissions accounting guidance and what that meant for Geelong Port. With over 90% of their emissions coming from Scope 3, it was critical to talk about how important stakeholder engagement is and the challenges facing the industry.
And we really heard today some real good case studies, whether it's considering how we plan for alternative fuels for shipping, climate change adaptation measures from the ports and coastal industry, as well as also we heard from SA Water, who gave us some insights into the water industry that we can bring back to the ports and marine industry and learn from that, because we all have similar challenges. So yeah, it's been a really energising workshop, and we all sort of have left thinking, okay, we're on a journey and we haven't solved everything, but at least we've been sharing our knowledge today, and that's what PIANC's all about.